What are you doing on Thursday, the 1st of October? Now, if you're a CNC machinist, a business owner, or any way involved within the world of CNC machining, you need to tune in to Walter Live UK, where the MTD CNC team are hosting a live event to showcase Walter's latest products. Featured in the live stream, Walter will be showcasing some of their latest innovations, including InnerTime, CAD/CAM, Camara, tool management, and also some new cutting tools, including TigerTech Gold. We will be taking questions live on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and for the first time, LinkedIn, all live. So that's Thursday, the 1st of October at 10:30 a.m. Don't